Bonjour et bienvenue à Language Place. Nous voici encore en classe de français. Aujourd'hui, on va voir les verbes du troisième groupe au présent de l'indicatif. Bon, here are some third group verbs in French, and like we said in previous classes, third group verbs are not regular. They don't have a regular pattern of conjugation, so you have to learn them one by one. But in this class, we are going to see third group verbs that are similar. As you can see, this verb is concevoir. It means to conceive or to design. Percevoir means to notice. Décevoir means to disappoint. Recevoir means to receive, while percevoir means to see or to also notice. You can see the similarity between all these verbs. They all have se voir, se voir, se voir, se voir, se voir. This similarity will help you to know how to conjugate them all at once. Now, let's see them. For example, concevoir, for example, this is how concevoir is conjugated. Je conçois, tu conçois, il conçoit, elle conçoit, nous concevons, vous concevez, ils conçoivent, elles conçoivent. How did I conjugate this? I have discovered the similarity between all these verbs. So once I remove this se voir, what remains is con. Con is the stem for this verb. So once I remove this se voir, I remove it, it remains je con, and then I add soit. Tu con, I also add soit. Tu con, soit. Once I remove se voir, I add these endings. Je conçois, tu conçois. Il conçoit, il con. Se voir is gone, so we put soit. Elle conçoit, elle con. Se voir is gone, so we put soit. Nous con. Se voir is gone, so we add se vont. Vous con. As you can see, se voir is gone, so we add se vais. The same thing applicable to il. Ils conçoivent. In a nutshell, these are the endings for these verbs. This group of third group verbs follow the same pattern of conjugation. So you remove se voir and you add these endings. Let's try another verb. Recevoir means to receive. Once I remove se voir, what remains is re. Je, re. Then I add the ending for je. Reçois. Vous voyez? They are very similar. They follow the same pattern of conjugation. Tu, re. Il, re. Elle, re. For tu, I add the ending. Reçoit. For il, I add the ending. Il reçoit. For elle, I also add the ending. Elle reçoit. Nous, re, vous, re, et il, re. Now, re, because we've removed se voir, I add the ending for nous, and that becomes nous recevons. The ending for vous, vous recevez. And now the ending for il, plural, ils reçoivent. Vous voyez? Donc, je reçois means I receive or I'm receiving. Tu reçois means you are receiving or you receive. Il reçoit is receiving or he receives. Elle reçoit, she receives or she is receiving. Remember, présent de l'indicatif is comparable to present tense in English. Nous recevons means we are receiving or we receive. Vous recevez means you all are receiving or you receive. Ils reçoivent means they receive or they are receiving. Let's quickly see another verb from this list. Décevoir. Décevoir means to disappoint. Décevoir means to disappoint. Now, once I remove se voir, this is what remains. Je dé. Then I add the ending, which is sois. And that becomes je déçois. Tu dé. I add the ending, tu déçois. Il dé. I add the ending, il déçoit. Elle dé. I add the ending, elle déçoit. Nous dé. I add the ending, nous décevons. Vous dé. Et enfin la terminaison, vous décevez. Il dé. And the ending, déçoivent. Très bien. So that is how verbs that end with se voir are conjugated. So let's move to this family. This is another group of third group verbs that are conjugated in a similar manner. As you can see, prendre means to take. Prendre means to take. Now here is the conjugation of the verb prendre. Je prends, tu prends, il prend, elle prend, nous prenons, vous prenez, ils prennent, elles prennent. Je prends means I take or I'm taking. Tu prends, you take or you are taking. Il prend, he takes or he is taking. Elle prend, she takes or she is taking. Nous prenons, we take or we are taking. Vous prenez, you all take or you are taking. Ils prennent, elles prennent means they are taking or they take. Now, you can see the similarity amongst all these verbs. They all have prendre, 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 prendre. Prendre itself is a similarity amongst the remaining verbs. So to conjugate these verbs, you have to note how prendre itself is conjugated. So let's quickly see how this second verb will be conjugated. Comprendre. Comprendre. Comprendre means to understand. To understand. To understand. Now to conjugate this verb, like I said, prendre and comprendre are conjugated the same way. Comprendre has prendre in it. So I remove prendre, it remains con. Je con. Then I add this. Je comprends. The same thing for tu, tu con. Then I add this because it's here. Tu comprends. Il con. Elle con. Nous con. Vous con. Il con. Now for il con. I come here. Take this. Il comprend. Elle con. I take it here. Elle comprend. Nous con. I take this. Nous comprenons. Vous con. I come here for vous. Take this. Vous comprenez. Ils come again for ils comprennent. Why are we taking the conjugation of this to feel this? It is because prendre is found in comprendre, it is found in apprendre, and it is also found in reprendre. So all verbs that have prendre are conjugated the same way. Let's quickly see another verb. So if I want to say, do you all understand? I say, vous comprenez. And if I want to say, I understand, I say, je comprends. Je comprends français. I understand French. Vous comprenez français. You understand French. Remember, prends, prenons, prenez, prennent. So, let's see this verb, apprendre. 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 Apprendre means to learn. Apprendre means to learn. To learn. Remember, inside apprendre, we can also find prendre. So we take this, jappe, tu appes, il appe, elle appe, nous appe, vous appe, et il zappe. And then we take the ending, which replaces prendre. Prends, j'apprends. We take the ending for tu, which replaces prendre. Tu apprends. We take the ending for il, which replaces prendre. Il apprend. Et elle apprend. Then for nous, we take the ending prenons. Nous apprenons. The same thing for vous, we take the ending. Vous apprenez. And now for il, we take the ending. Ils apprennent. Ils apprennent. So if I want to say I am learning French, I say j'apprends. Remember, j'apprends. J'apprends le français. J'apprends le français. J'apprends le français. Donc, I can also say, vous comprenez? And you say, oui, je comprends. Vous comprenez means, do you understand? Je comprends means, yes, I understand. Très bien. So, let's look at the last family for this class. Sentir, partir, sortir, and mentir. Sentir, partir, sortir, and mentir. Now, these verbs are another family of third group verbs, and they are conjugated in a similar way, or they follow a similar pattern of conjugation. Remember, they end with TIR, TIR. So let's take this for example. Sentir means to feel or to perceive. Je sens, tu sens, il sent, elle sent, nous sentons, vous sentez et il ou elle sentent. Now you can notice that sentir ends with TIR, partir ends with TIR, sortir ends with TIR, and mentir ends also with TIR. To conjugate sentir, I removed the TIR which is similar and added S. Je sens and added S. Tu sens, the same thing, I added S for tu. Il sent, the same thing, then I added T for il. Elle sent, the same thing, I added T for elle also. Nous sent, I added ton for nous. Ton, nous sentons. Vous sentez, sent, then I added T-E-Z. Ils sentent, elles sentent, the same thing, and I added T-E-N-T. Now these are the endings for this family of third group verbs. All you have to do is take TIR apart and add the various endings. So let's observe another verb from this family. Mentir. Mentir means to lie. Sentir means to feel or perceive. So to conjugate this, I take TIR apart and then I write mens and the ending for je mens. Tu, I write it and then I take the ending for tu mens. Il ment, I put the ending for il ment. Then elle ment, nous ment, vous ment, il ment. Now the ending for elle is also ti, elle ment. Then nous ment, the ending for nous, mentons. Then for vous, mentez. Then for il, ment. Remember, ENT in verb conjugation is not pronounced, so we say ment. We don't say mentens. No, we say ment. Je mens, tu mens, il ment, elle ment, nous mentons, vous mentez, il ment, elle ment. So if I want to say you lie, I say tu mens, tu mens. Je ne mens pas, I am not lying. Bon, très bien. Let's see a last verb for this group. Sortir. Sortir means to go out. Sortir means to go out. So if I want to conjugate this verb, I take TIR apart. Je sors, tu sors. Since TIR is a similar part of each verb, il sort, elle sort, nous sort, vous sort, il sort. Now I add the various endings. For je, I add S. For tu, I add S. For il, I add T. Elle, I add T. For nous, ton. Nous sortons. Vous, t'es. Vous sortez. Ils sortent. Je sors, tu sors, il sort, elle sort, nous sortons, vous sortez, ils sortent et elles sortent. Très bien. Conjugate partir yourself. Partir means to leave. Remember, it follows the same pattern for these four verbs. Bon, maintenant c'est la fin de cette classe. On se verra dans la prochaine classe. Merci.